Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. This comes in a red exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and E300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, premium Burmester sound system, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 30,682. You have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, Mercedes-Benz shifter, steering wheel controls, climate controls, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.